Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you, welcome to Wake Up for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be just giving you guys another look with the Watch the Queen Conquer palette by P. Louise. It looks like this. I used this side. Honestly, I didn't really choose a side. I chose a t-shirt and actually had matching barrettes, so that's kind of what I did. Essentially, I get fucked when I do 3 looks, 1 palettes videos. Like, it literally sends me into a fucking tailspin from whence there is no return for me. I cannot get them edited, and it throws my whole schedule off, and I end up having, like, building up all these videos behind that, like, I just get so far behind that I feel like I can't catch up. So there's got to be a better way for me to like feature palettes more than one time without doing a 3 looks 1 palette video. Like, it has to be, there has to be a better way for me. So anyways, if you guys are curious to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette when I'm done with it, then just hang out. If you guys want to watch the sloppy seconds. I'm going to use my KALEIDOS S2, and I'm going to start with the color My Turn. And you guys can probably see like what I'm going to do here. I'm just going into the outer V, and I'm actually going to drag this all the way to the front inner corner, which I was going to do the opposite. It's opposite day. That's already cute. I'm going to use a MORPHE M506, and I'm going to go into the color Can't Compete. And I'm just going to tap this on, 50% on and 50% off. Man, that is a nice orange. Holy shit. And then my ZOEVA 227. I'm going to go into the color Piece of Me. And I'm just gonna use that to blend out this orange. Ooh, that's super pigmented, super good. That's a very good yellow. Dang. This is going to be so good. Now I'm just going in with those 3 brushes, and I'm just going to building up this color My Turn to get it. Damn, this is fucking beautiful. I know I'm a P. Louise groupie, but I'm not fucking around. This is a really good palette. It's probably hard to believe me because I'm such a P. Louise groupie, but I'm telling you, this palette is really fucking good. Like, severely good. God, look at that. Perfect. Now I'm going into Piece of Me. I'm going to use another MORPHE M506, and I'm going to go in with that color Piece of Me, the yellow, and I'm going to use that to just kind of power this edge out, this harsh line. I'm going to go in with that other Morphe M506 with no additional product and just kind of... Pretty. Man. That looks good, dude. Holy shit. I'm just using the same brushes and doing the under eye. That looks cute. Okay, so here's the deal. What am I going to do? I think I'm going to take just this Morphe JH39, this little tiny pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the color Opposition, and I'm just going to use that to deepen some shit up. And then I'm going to use my Crown C528, and I'm going to use that same color to deepen up the outer V. Nice. I really don't want this color to show at all. I just want it to like give me a little bit of dimension, but I still want to keep the, you know, the firecracker effect. So I'm going back in with the red now, and I'm just going to kind of cover this up and redden it up. Ooh, that looks fucking good, dude. This is so good. This palette is fucking eyegasmic, seriously. Like, it's so good. I know you guys have heard all about it. It is that fucking good. I use the Stack 'em Up palettes in my my video on for my Patreon, and it actually made me a little bit nervous just because I did have a little bit of problems with one of the colors in one of the Stack 'em Up palettes, and I thought, fuck. I hope I don't get like totally my balls busted by this fucking Watch the Queen Conquer palette. But you know what I'm going to tell you right now? Make Me Up Missa gave this palette a rave review. And if she fucking says it's good, I pretty much, like, she says a lot of shit ain't good that most people won't say ain't good. And so if she says something's good, I usually trust her opinion on it. Also, she's not like she's not like a makeup snob. Like, I'm probably even a little more snobby than she is, but I just think it's, her opinion is legit. I just want to get, I'm going to use my Wayne Goss number 20. It's a little bit, more firm to kind of just rub this out. with the red. That looks fucking tits. Okay. I mean, it's exciting. I'm excited about this shit. I'm going to use my AOA E131 and I'm going to apply NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to use my ZOEVA 232 and I'm going to go into the color Surrender. Love it. And I'm going to use my Crown C528 and I'm going to go back into Opposition. And then into my turn with my Wayne Goss number 20, I'm just going to use that to... And then I'm going to take my turn on that Wayne Goss number 20 and I'm just going to tap this. And then with my flat shadow brush, my ZOEVA 232, I'm just going to pull that. With my KALEIDOS S5, I'm going to go into the color Ruler. And I'm going to just take that across the highest point of my lid. Oh. Ooh. That was a good idea. Oh my God. That's beautiful. You know what? I want to keep this firecracker looking. I'm going to use Solar Sailor as my inner corner highlight. I'm sorry, you guys, but I really want to keep this yellow, the inner corner. So I'm going to take my P. Louise Worldie number 198, and I'm going to go into my Solar Sailor by KALEIDOS. I think that Victory shade would look good, but I don't want to risk it like looking a hint of green. I think it's good that it's a hint of green. I just want to keep this look really specific to this shirt. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So, this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Electra. Fucking love them. I don't know what my deal is with fucking with my lashes on camera these days, but I had to edit out like fucking 2 minutes of me just being like, do 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 do. Try to get that done before I turn the camera on. Anyway, I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Electra. I use my Urban Decay 24/7 gel liner glide on eye pencil in Lucky on my waterline, and then I use my KALEIDOS Cloud Lab lip clay is what the fuck they're called, and I use the color Terra. I don't normally use like these kinds of colors, but I thought this was a good matchy nude. So I kind of been wanting to like wear more nudie colors that don't match my look so exactly, but I can't seem to kick the habit of like matching my lipstick perfectly. So, I use Solar Sailor as my highlighter and I use Persimmon as my blush again, which actually turned out really good. again, kind of went against my nature and did a blush that doesn't match perfectly. Dude, honestly, nothing is happening that's making me like love this palette any less. In fact, everything that's happening is making me love it more. So, yeah, it looks beautiful. Honestly, though, I mean, I could have gotten this beautiful of this. I could have done beautiful out of any fucking palette. I could have got this out of a ColourPop palette. I mean, red to orange to yellow. You know, it is what it is, but it does look fucking beautiful, and I am super excited about like everything that I got going on. So I feel cute, and matching my flamies like perfectly. So anyways, wished I had somewhere to go or somebody to look cute for, but you never know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you guys got halfway through the video and you were like, oh my god, this girl sure is cute until she opens her fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. And if you guys are wondering what I say, what I actually am holding back on saying, then go check out my Patreon because I say a lot more on my Patreon than I actually feel like I am comfortable with on my channel. So, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.